I went to Bali last August, so beautiful country, very nice people, and enjoyed my time there. Delorier? I don't think you told us where you're from. Let us know where you're from. We always ask people to introduce themselves. I'm studying business management. You think it's a good start to be in data science in the future? Yeah. Yeah. In fact, I invite you to view my video today on my path into data science. And I talk about that, about how my business degree has actually been very helpful. I don't have a technical degree. My undergrad is in international business. So I know that's a little bit different than business management, but I have found it super helpful in many times throughout my career. So Dolier, I think you're fine with that. You know, it's going to be on you to develop the tech skills, right? You're going to have to put in extra work to do that. But yeah, I think that there's definitely a path between a business student and becoming a data scientist.